Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sink into this sacred space of stillness and surrender. This meditation is an invitation to explore the dance between your desires and the freedom of releasing attachment. Together, we will honor your dreams, let go of what weighs you down, and return to the peace and wholeness of the present moment. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your body settle and relax. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, holding for a moment, and exhale through your mouth. Once again, bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm as it moves in and out of your body. There's no need to control it. Simply observe. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your weight. Imagine roots extending from your body into the earth, anchoring you deeply. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more present, more here. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale, feel the air filling your lungs. Hold and feel the stillness. Exhale, releasing tension, worry, and any distractions. Let yourself sink deeper into this moment, knowing you are safe and held. Gently bring your attention to your body, starting at the crown of your head. Scan down slowly, noticing any areas of tension or tightness. Without judgment, simply observe. Relax your forehead, soften your jaw, let your shoulders drop. Allow your chest to open as you release any heaviness. Feel your belly rise and fall naturally with your breath. Move your awareness down your arms, through your hands, and out your fingertips, down your legs, through your feet, and into the earth. Your body is a sacred vessel. Feel gratitude and love for it. Now bring to mind a desire that feels alive within you. It could be a longing for love, a dream you're working toward, or a vision of abundance. Whatever comes to you, allow it to surface naturally See this desire clearly in your mind's eye. Notice the details. How does it look? Feel. What emotions arise as you connect with it? Take a moment to fully experience this desire without judgment. Now place this desire in your hands. Imagine holding it as a glowing light. Feel its warmth, its energy, its beauty. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently affirm, "This desire is sacred. I honor it." Now notice if there's any tightness, fear, or neediness attached to this desire. It might show up as a feeling in your body, a thought, or an image. Without judgment, observe it. Imagine these attachments as cords tethering you to the glowing light in your hands. With each breath, begin to gently release these cords one by one. Inhale. I honor my desire. Exhale. I release my attachment to it. Inhale. I honor my desire. Exhale. I release my attachment to it. Inhale. I honor my desire. Exhale. I release my attachment to it. Repeat this silently or aloud as many times as you need, feeling lighter with each breath. When you're ready, visualize offering this glowing light to the universe. Hold it up, bless it, and let it go. Trust that it will return to you in the perfect way, at the perfect time. Now bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and silently affirm, I am whole and complete in the here and now. Feel gratitude for the things in your life that bring you joy. What can you celebrate right now? It could be as simple as the breath you're taking, the love you feel, or the stillness of this moment. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Feel the rhythm of your breath, the beat of your heart. You are alive. You are enough. You are already whole. Now let's connect with guidance. Imagine a gentle, divine light surrounding you. This could be Source, an angel, a spirit guide, or even your higher self. Feel their loving presence now. Silently ask, what do I need to know about my desires and attachments? Be open to receiving. This guidance might come as a feeling, a word, an image, or simply a sense of peace. Trust whatever arises. Take a moment to listen now. When you're ready, thank this divine presence for their wisdom and love. Let's close with affirmations to anchor this experience. Repeat silently or aloud. I honor my desires while trusting the timing of the universe. I release attachment and embrace the freedom of the present moment. I am whole, complete, and worthy exactly as I am. What is meant for me will never pass me by. I trust the divine flow of my life. I honor my desires while trusting the timing of the universe. I release attachment and embrace the freedom of the present moment. I am whole, complete, and worthy exactly as I am. What is meant for me will never pass me by. I trust the divine flow of my life. As we come to the end of this meditation, begin to bring gentle movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to sit in stillness, carrying the peace of this practice with you. Remember, You are always one breath away from presence, one moment away from freedom. Thank you for sharing this sacred time with me. May your desires inspire you, and may your heart remain free. Namaste.